Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about SLPRB Assam Constable Emergency Rescuer Jobs Notification 2023. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And don't skip, watch the video till the end. Before going to the complete details of this notification, let's see the overview. The organization that has released this notification is State Level Police Recruitment Board Assam. For the post Constable of Police Communication, Constable Driver, Constable Dispatch Rider, Constable Handyman, Constable Messenger, Constable Carpenter and Sub-Officer and Emergency Rescuer. And total 333 post vacancies are released in this notification, and the applications has already started from 8th February 2023 and they will be closed by 22nd February 2023 and you can apply online. And the job location is Assam, and the selection process will be based on physical standard test followed by an physical efficiency test, written test and an oral or viva voce, and there will be a driving test which is skill test for the post of Constable Driver, Constable Dispatch Rider, Constable Handyman and Constable Messenger. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website slprbassam.in. Coming to the vacancies details, there are 262 post vacancies for the post Constable of Police Communication and 3 vacancies for the post Constable Driver and 9 vacancies for the post Constable Dispatch Rider and 2 vacancies for Constable Handyman and 14 vacancies for Constable Messenger post and 3 vacancies for Constable Carpenter post, 1 vacancy for Sub-Officer and 39 post vacancies for Emergency Rescuer. So total 333 post vacancies are available in this notification. Coming to the educational qualifications, for the post Constable of Police Communication, all the candidates should have qualified high school science with the subjects physics, chemistry and mathematics from a recognized board or council, and the candidates must have obtained passing marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics in high school examination. For the post Constable Driver, Constable Dispatch Rider, Constable Handyman, Constable Messenger, all the candidates would have qualified HSLC or any equivalent examination from a recognized board and must possess a valid driving license for LMV or MMV or HMV. For the post Constable Carpenter, candidates would have qualified HSLC or any equivalent examination and should have passed prescribed ITI course in trade. And for the post Sub-Officer, you would have qualified high school with the subject physics, chemistry and mathematics from a recognized board, and all the candidates must have obtained passing marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics in high school examination. And for the post Emergency Rescuer, you would have qualified high school from a recognized board or council. Coming to the salary details, all the candidates who are selected for the various posts will get a pay scale of 14,000 to 60,500. And if you want to know post-wide grade pay details, you can check the official notification. Coming to the age limit details, for the post of Sub-Officer, all the candidates should be between 20 to 24 years as of 1st January 2023. That is, candidate must be born on or before 1st January 2003 or after 1st January 1999. And for other posts, candidates must be between 18 to 25 years as of 1st January 2023. That is, candidates must be born on or before 1st January 2005 or after 1st January 1998. At last, we can see the selection process. All the candidates whose applications are found correct in all respects will be called for physical standard test and physical efficiency test PST and PET, and the candidates will have to appear in PST and PET at the venue as decided by the SLPRB, and those candidates who clear PST will be required to undergo the physical efficiency test, and there will be a driving test which is skill test for the post of Constable Driver, Constable Dispatch Rider, Constable Handyman and Constable Messenger, and candidates have to appear for the written test and there will be no negative marking in that examination. And the merit list for each category of post will be prepared for oral or viva voce. All the candidates should note that there will be no travel allowances or dearness allowances, and you have to note that all the candidates have to appear in all stages of recruitment. If anyone missed at any stage, the candidate will be cancelled from the recruitment. So this is the brief information of SLPRB Assam Constable and Emergency Rescuer Jobs Notification 2023. Hope this video is useful for you. If you want to know complete details, you can go through the official notification through the link which we had provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.